Ready, start. There is no need to be shy in this regard. That is what governments the world over are pursuing in the era of globalization, promoting the country's interests, strengthening its own abilities does not mean isolating ourselves from the world. It means meeting its challenges after through preparation, and a major part of the preparation to which my government is deeply committed is a speedy internal liberalization of the economy, freeing it from all the growth hindering bureaucratic and governmental controls. Therefore, let us not fear the new regimes of trade. Let us put them to work. It is right that we should raise our voice when products that are generic to India, such as haldi and basmati, should be patented abroad, but the real remedy is to take all those initiatives that will enable India and Indians to overtake others in acquiring world class patents. That is how my government will view the new economic order, and that how I believe all of us should face it. I am reminded of what Ramakrishna Paramahans told an aspirant. Life is like a boat. The natural place for it to be is on water, but one cannot let water enter the boat and drown it. That is what my colleagues and I mean by Swadeshi, the natural place for the country to be is in the world. But we are not to let the powerful currents now rocking world markets to drown us. Instead, we are to put those very currents to work in our favor. Let us therefore make the boat of our national economy stronger and sturdier. Let us do it in the shortest possible time frame by unleashing the productive energies of Indian people, and let us accomplish this challenge by eradicating poverty and unemployment at earliest. In a world step over the past and grasp the future. To do so, there is but one mantra. Let us work together. If we keep holding each other, how can the country progress? Let us break out of this destructive habit. During our glorious freedom struggle, patriotism meant going to jail. It meant struggle and sacrifice. In today's context, patriotism can only be working hard, working honestly, and working together. I appeal to one and all, to fellow politicians as well as to ordinary people, to rise to this higher challenge of patriotism. Among the things that keep us from joining hands and working together is the unfortunate turn our public life has taken. Democratic contest has given way to perpetual confrontation. Yet, the nation's polity has created an atmosphere of cooperation and coalition building. Full stop.